Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert emojis into Word document. Now for us to get this done, what we're going to do is head over here to our Microsoft Word, and what we're going to do is, shortcut, use shortcut. What you're going to do is click the Windows in your keyboard, and then you're going to click this one right here. And voila, there you go. You can then go ahead and click this one in order for you to be able to use all of the emojis available as of the moment. So go ahead and scroll down here. There are also some different options for you to choose from here. Go ahead and click each of these categories in order for you to find out what are these. But yeah, basically these are the options that you have. Just go ahead and make sure click this one, and then you can go ahead and basically put it at the side, move to a different part right here and do the same shortcut, Windows and then semicolon, and then go ahead and add another. So say for example, something like that. There you go. So that's the easiest way in order for us to insert emojis into a Word document.